Hi everybody, this video is for you to use for your virtual learning day today. What we have here are two things. We have the argument essay rubric up top and a student essay down below. Okay. Now when we're looking at the rubric, we notice that there are three categories. There's introduction, supporting paragraphs, and conclusion. Now in these three categories there are three columns that describe the student's work. Okay, so it may be that the student is meeting in one category, the introduction, but doesn't really have the body paragraphs in the meeting column just yet. Okay, so we want to be able to match the areas where there's a description on the rubric with what the writer does in the essay. And here's how we're going to do that. So let's take a look at this one right here. I'll use this as my example. This piece of the rubric. I make a strong claim that takes a clear side on a debatable issue. This is one thing that we're looking for in the essay. So I'm going to read the essay and pause where I think that the writer has done this. The study of foreign languages in middle school. Learning a foreign language and the culture that goes with it is one of the most useful things we can do to broaden the empathy and imaginative sympathy and cultural outlook of children. This was stated by Michael Gove, Member of Parliament of the United Kingdom. This quote's meaning shows that when children learn a foreign language, they also learn about one's culture and learn to respect it. All middle school students should be required to take a foreign language class. Pause. This is where I think the writer is making a claim. All middle school students should be required to take a foreign language class. Now, I think this shows that they're taking a clear side and a strong claim on an issue that somebody might disagree with. Now, somebody might be able to say, yes, I think foreign language is good, but I don't think that it should be required in school. So this writer is taking a stance on an issue. So when I find that piece of text from the essay, I'm going to highlight the piece of text, okay, showing that I found that in the essay, and then I'm going to take this piece, copy and paste into a comment right where that shows up in the text. Click and paste. Okay, now I'm showing my teacher that I'm recognizing the writer doing the things that we're looking for in the rubric, and I can actually show you where I found it. Okay, so we're continuing with this for all categories. So introduction, supporting paragraphs, and conclusion. Now it may be that they've made a strong claim that takes a clear side on a debatable issue, but they might not give reasons to support the claim. Okay, so you have to look for that and highlight it and make a comment just like I've shown you. Okay, I hope this helps. If you have any more questions, please email your teacher.